Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Some people think visitor to the other country should imitate local custom and behavior. Some people disagree. They think the host country should welcome cultural difference. Discuss the two view and give your opinion. Let's start. Many individuals believe that the foreign traveler should adopt local culture and equate, while others think that host provincial should adopt the traditional custom of the foreigner. In my opinion, the sightseer should follow the local value and norms. This essay discuss both views. BP1. On the one hand, being aware of the distinguished custom would help an individual to understand the local belief and equate. These might boost the confidence of the local population for the company, creating the new ties of the friendship and trust between them. Respecting and adopting the local value are also important because it may hurt the religion sentiment of the countryman while pursuing one own culture foreign. For example, in Indian men and women who have not dressed according to the religion beliefs are not allowed to visit local language to avoid any misunderstanding during the communicate with local people. On the other hand, many consider that the foreign guests should be allowed to exercise their own tradition and the homie should accept their difference with open minds. In other words, the sightseer should feel at home regarding what they want to wear and eat in the foreign province. Such freedom choice for the company attract more other visitors which fire up the tourism business and enhance the economical growth of the agrarian. For instance, USA and the UK, Australia like country do welcome all the sort of the culture in their countries. So people from all over the world visit and stay there without any worries. To conclude, I firmly support the idea of the following local culture value because it would not only create the trust in the local population but also fill one trip with wonderful experience and new lesson. Thanks for watching my channel.